Welcome back on this Tuesday morning. We're dealing with some foggy conditions across the UP. In some areas, it's a little bit more dense than others. At the Mackinac Bridge, we can't even see the bridge because of the fog there. 32 degrees at the bridge with an east wind of about 7 miles per hour. So as the morning progresses, I do think the next 3 to about 4 hours will still be quite foggy in many places. But by about midday, that fog will certainly be improving and mixing back out. And we'll just have some mostly cloudy skies for the remainder of your day. By about midday, we're looking at upper 30s to around 40 degrees with 40s later on this afternoon, especially across the west end of the UP, where we're going to range low to mid 40s there. Upper 30s to the low 40s in the central and in the eastern counties of the UP. We're supposed to be at 42 for this time of year. At this moment, no precip across the Great Lakes, just some mostly cloudy skies across the UP down into Wisconsin and for areas downstate as well. Here's our next system. This area of low pressure continues to track south and southeast at the moment, bringing in some rain ahead of the warm front for western Minnesota. That warm front will move a little bit closer towards us later on tonight, bringing in some light rain. So watch as this unfolds. We remain dry across the region throughout the day, but by late afternoon, we start to see rain in western Wisconsin. And then by early evening, we have some rain moving into the western areas of the UP. That would mainly include Gogebic and Ontonagon counties. So as that warm front gets a little bit closer tonight, we're going to see this swath of rain move through from west to east. So it'll be right over us for tomorrow morning. And in some instances, moderate to heavy in the central and eastern counties. By about midday, that swath moves east and then down through the lower peninsula. If you have travels that take you south, well, know that you're going to be driving into this. We will have a little bit of a dry slot around midday through the early afternoon. Meaning we'll have a little bit of a break from this precip. Then later on in the afternoon, as that low pressure gets a little bit closer, we'll have some scattered rain showers develop, especially across the west and central counties. A little bit more of a drier couple of hours for tomorrow night as that system kind of spins right over us. It's a little slow moving system, so it'll hang around with us for a little while. So by Thursday morning, we'll start to see a transition to snow across the west end of the UP with a little bit of a mix in the central areas and then rain across the eastern counties by Thursday afternoon. Rain extending to the south from the lower peninsula, scattered showers there and some scattered to steady rain showers for most of Wisconsin on Thursday afternoon. Eventually that transitions to mainly snow across the northern counties for Friday. Rainfall amounts, though, for tomorrow through early Thursday morning, less than ½ of an inch across the western counties, around ½ of an inch in the central UP, about ½ of an inch to about 0.8 of an inch in the eastern counties. Could see an isolated spot push or closer to the 1 inch mark. Looking ahead for the weekend, Saturday is a dry one, but below normal with temperatures. Sunday looks to stay mainly dry, mostly cloudy, with temperatures being above